Hello guys, welcome back to the YT University, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can make use of an ultrasonic transducer or a sensor named HCSRO4 to measure the distance of a certain object. So you're going to need these codes, alright, and I'm going to explain that later. So first is we have to identify the things that we need if you want to build something like this. So you need a sensor, of course, and you need an Arduino. Alright, you need the program, you need the computer, you need some connecting wires, and the breadboard. So you can solder this if you wanted to. And then some others are this tape measure and certain objects. Okay, so let's go and discuss the codes. So here we're going to make use of the input pins and output pins, which can be set in your board. Okay, so as you can see in the program here, we're making use of pin number 9 as the trigger pin, and we're making use of pin number 10 as the echo pin, which is connected to um, these two. Alright, so you just have to make sure that the port is properly connected. Okay, if not, your transducer will not work. So one is triggering or sending some ultrasonic wave, the other one is receiving it. So this make use of the capability of sound to bounce back just like an echo. Alright, so to demonstrate that, I have here some object. Okay, so if the trigger pin um, sends out an ultrasonic wave, which you cannot hear even though it's a sound wave, because that's beyond the 20 kilohertz, I think. So it's gonna send some ultrasonic wave, and then it will hit the object, and then it will bounce back. So there's a calculation for that, and it's gonna make use of some physics, but don't worry, there's a calculation over here. You just have to copy this. But if you wanted to know how that happens, you can visit the YT University for the explanation. Alright, so I think I have not done the video for that yet, but in the upcoming days, maybe I will. Alright, so going back, so we are done with the pins and we are done with the concept. So the time it takes for the sound to bounce back is used to compute the distance. Okay, and then for your board setup, you're going to set the pin mode, okay, or the mode of the pin. So pin number 9 will be the trigger pin, will be the output. Okay, so it means that it's gonna send the ultrasonic wave. Okay, and then pin mode, echo pin number 10 will be the input. Alright, so it's gonna this one will send something or sends something, and then it will be an input to the Arduino, and then this little brain right here is gonna make sure that it will compute the time. Okay, and then it's gonna send it to our computer. Okay, so and then next is to begin communication. Alright, so that's gonna run, okay, once, and then the board loop ensures that it's gonna run forever. Alright, so first digital write low, so nothing gets sent because there's no output, it's not sending anything. And then after that it will send, okay, the echo or the ultrasonic wave, and then if there's something in here, it's gonna measure the distance. And then I have here a tape measure to make sure that it's accurate. Alright, so next is it's gonna calculate. Okay, so make sure that the duration gets calculated. Okay, so from the echo pin, calculating the distance, and then it's gonna print the distance. Alright, so I think the code is functional, so let's try this one. So there you go. It's sensing something within 17. Okay, it's sensing my hand actually. you can see that, yes, maybe. So if I'm gonna put it here, so um, so you're going to subtract this because it's the base. So it's around 8, says 8, but I can see greater than 8 here. But nonetheless, it works. Okay. Nonetheless, it works. It's around 12 cm. But here it reads 8. Maybe the font of it's around 10, 7. Oh. So you just have to make sure that there are adjustments because it works, but it's not accurate as we are expecting it. Maybe um, we can change something. Alright, it's 15, but it's reading somewhat 11. So you just have to subtract something here. Yeah, it's 15, but the reading is 14. There you go. As you can see, as it goes far, um, the reading changes, so I think it's working. There we go. And then the next thing would be uh, we'll try to trigger an alarm. Okay, but nonetheless, this one is working, and yeah, yes, it's working. So it's sensing in between, far. Yeah, right. There you go. Very good. So see you once again in the YT University.